guys. I will back to sleep because it's already 4 a.m. I just woke up at 2 a.m. so I made live because I can sleep. So now I feel like I'm sleepy guys. Marry you? How should I marry you? I'm in Philippines and you're far from me. If I wanna go to Philippines, I can see you. So we're gonna check it out. You come to Philippines? Subscribe kita ma'am. Thank you, Warlito. Nagbo-vlog ka din? Kasi ano, Warlito Beheran TV vlog. Hi, Mary. Would you? We'll see. Maybe if you see the girls in live, you always say, I can marry you. Most people, guys, say on the beautiful ways going live. And maybe one of you is that like that, Mark. If you say a guy, I will marry you. Thank you, or let of the year and people vlog. What if I come to you? Wow. Opo ma'am, nag-vlog po ako. Fishing up with San Pedro Laguna po. Okay, titingnan ko yung vlog mo. Bibisitahin ko yun dyan. Mag-comment ka lang doon sa video ko. Kasi para makita ko yung ano mo. Bibisitahin ko ang house mo. Okay. World Video Vlog. Na-monetize ka na ba? Monetize ka din ba? Thank you. Best one of the week for remembering our channel. Thank you so much. Best one of the week. So just like best one of a year who joined my membership. Can I stay with you? Sure. You like to stay? Hindi pa po. Only to keep on going to vlog. Kasi ako ganyan din ako. Na-monetize and after 1 year nag-monetize ko. 3 months I lost hope but I keep on fighting for my channel because this is one of my source of income. So I'll take care of it. Nag-monetize ako dito may content na sobrahan kong pagpapasexy sa mga content ko dito may members. Kasi nagre-request na kung ano ligo challenge. So I stopped my ligo challenge for now. Because of working to my channel, I wait for paano po ba? Magbablog ka lang. Sure, you can take care of me only not according to life. You better go to Philippines. Vlog ka lang ng vlog. Tapos mag-live ka. Makuha ka ng views sa live. Eh, kasi iba kasi yung content ko. Kasi content ko mga aking viewers ko. Alam mo na yun. So, maghahanap ka ng niche mo. Kung ano ang marami kang views, doon mo palagi yung gagawin yun. Kasi ako ganito live. Tapos mga sexy. Nagsusot ang mga sexy. Kasi ang ibang ko parang sexy chubby mom. So, hindi na maiwasan na mayroong mga basher. Mahalin mo yung mga basher mo. Okay? Ingatan mo din yung mga viewers. Girl, take it. You're perfect to me. Thank you, Mo and Macarpo. See, go visit to Philippines. Visit Philippines. You can go there. Fishing lang po ako. Sa fishing. Maganda ba yung ano mo, yung views mo doon? Kung maganda mag-go ka, pero kung konti lang yung views mo, maghanap ka ng mga niche. Yan ang advice ko sa'yo. Kasi ito na yung niche ko. Can you turn around? Every moment you goes me down. I'm around. Turn around. Magpapakit ka lang ito. Ako ganito na. Kasi ang ano ko eh. How will I contact you there? You can contact me on my number on my WhatsApp. There I go my number there. In my profile there is my number, my WhatsApp. That's my number in Philippines. And every now and then I get a little bit close around, turn around.